Alright guys, welcome to summer school. I really don't want to be here, but y'all dumb as hell.
No.
So I got no choice. Hey man, we allowed to use our phones in here? What do you think, man? You failed the whole school year. Now you're in summer school. Why would I let you use your phone? I mean, you could have just said no.
No.
Hey bro, why you in here? Oh, cause I slapped my teacher.
Oh.
He wanted to mark me absent cause I didn't show up to class.
Nah, jig, crazy.
What? Hey, what about you, girl? Why they got you in here? Cause they caught me throwing it back in the boys' bathroom.
Nah, shawty a freak.
Shit, you trying to go do it again? Excuse me? He's being inappropriate. Come on, man. Are you serious? It's the first day. Get out.
Nah, jig got kicked out of summer school. I didn't even know that was possible.